Hi everybody, how are you? I just said I'd do a quick video this week just to explain what I am sending in the post this week. So this is officially our last week, so this will be the last piece of work that I'm sending you to do. So for everybody that's been sending me back work, well done, you're doing fantastic. And for those that aren't sending back work, that's fine. I understand everybody's situation is different. Okay, so as I said, I'm just going to go through the work that I'm sending out to you, just in case anybody's finding it a little bit difficult. So what we're talking about this week is storing information on your device, or storing it on the other options that are available to you when storing information electronically. Okay, so when you maybe take a photograph on your phone, or maybe when you create a document on your computer, you need to save it somewhere. Okay, so this document explains the different options that are available to you for storing information. Okay, so on the second page of the handout that I'll be giving you, it goes through all of the more popular options that are available to you for storing information. So the first one there, you can see, is the internal storage. So that's saving it onto the device itself. So whether that's your phone, your iPad, or your computer, it's saving it onto the computer's memory. The second option there is your external storage. So sometimes if you run out of space on your computer, you can go to your computer shop, whether it's PC World or whatever, and you can buy external storage. And you can save additional photographs, videos, documents, whatever it is, on that external storage option. The third option there is something that's probably not as popular as it was a number of years ago, but it's still available to us. The CD that you can store information on. So some of them are read-only and some of them are rewritable, so you can actually store information onto the CD. The other devices that are available to you are the memory cards. Okay, so some of those you might be familiar with from maybe popping into your phone. So they are small portable storage devices which are used to store data from, say, digital cameras, video recorders, mobile phones and other devices. The next one there is, if you can see it, USB flash drives. Okay, so you might be familiar with them. You can plug them into, say, your laptop and save information on it, and then go to another laptop and plug it in and be able to retrieve that information. And the last one that I have there is one that is very popular at the moment. It's called, your online file storage, or otherwise known as cloud computing. So it means that you are storing your information onto a server that is managed by various companies. Maybe Google has Google Drive, there's Dropbox, Microsoft has OneDrive. So there are services that are offered by these companies for storing your information for you. And it means that once you've got your login, you can access that information once you've got internet access. Okay, so if I was working at home and I saved some documents, I could then go into work and access those documents because they're saved on the cloud. Okay, so they're the various storage options that are available to you. Okay, now on the next page here, I've got, what are the advantages? Why would I store information electronically as opposed to just printing it out and saving it in a file somewhere? So you can work through those yourselves and you can read them, and hopefully that will make sense to you. The advantages of storing information electronically. And, it talks about things like you can back up your information easily. So if anything happens, you will always have a backup that you can refer to and get the information from. Other advantages are that you can store just huge amounts of information, huge amounts of documents, huge amounts of photographs. So as I say, all of that, the advantages are listed there. Okay, and then finally the last piece of the notes that I am sending you is just all around the internet. Now obviously we all use the internet, we use it in the classroom, So it's just basically a definition. So if you were asked to explain what the internet is, that you have the definition there, okay? And it lists some common uses of the internet, and you can see if there's anything that you use the internet for that is listed there or maybe isn't listed there. You know, so things like maybe doing your banking online, maybe shopping online, emailing people, keeping in touch, you know, FaceTiming, Skype, all of those type of things that we use the internet for. And then on the bottom of it, we've got, you know, what are the good things about the internet, you know, so it can help people stay in touch with family. It can allow you to, I suppose, even at the moment in current circumstances where it's maybe not safe to be going out to public places or going shopping or that, so we can do our shopping online, we can do our banking online. So all of those positive advantages of the internet are there. And finally, on the last page there, we've got some of the negative aspects of the internet. So some of the risks that are associated with using the internet. So I suppose things like that would be the possibility of fraud, you know, that maybe your personal details could be gotten hold of, you know, so risk associated with that. Addiction is a huge one as well, you know, addiction to the internet. Cyberbullying, I suppose for certain age groups, cyberbullying. So all of that information is there, and I will be posting all of that out to you. I just wanted to explain it because there's quite a lot of information there. So I just wanted to explain it to you before you received it in the post. And then, as well as that, I will be sending the last assessment for our portfolio. Okay, and in that, it will be just questions based on the notes. So the first page there is, you know, give me 3 benefits of storing information electronically. So all of that is in the notes that I'll be sending. It says give 3 benefits of using the internet. You know, what are the good things about the internet? What are the positive things about the internet? How does it make your life better? And finally, on the last page, it just shows here a set of messages that sometimes appear on screen. So they're kind of some of the more common messages. Okay, and the messages appear here, and then a definition of them appear here. So what you need to do is you take whatever one that you think matches best and write it down in the space provided here. So hopefully that should be self-explanatory enough. So it's going to be involving you reading this message here and seeing what matches best to these 3 up here. So I hope that's straightforward. I hope you'll be able to do it. I will be ringing each of you this week because it's our last week, and I'll be just checking in to see how you're getting on, if you need any help. So I'll be looking forward to talking to each of you. And apart from that, I think that's everything. So I'm going to sign out now, and as I said, I'll be popping this in the post on Monday morning. I will then be ringing you maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, just to see how you're getting on with everything, and hopefully everybody's doing okay. All right, take care of yourselves. Talk to you soon.